back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we are going to be doing something different. We are going to DIY headboard. So I've been seeing a lot of this DIY headboard on TikTok using pool noodles and foam board. So we are going to try it today. So everything I got it from the Walmart. I'm going to put the list of everything I use in the description box, so you can go check it out. I got, for a queen size bed, I got four foam board. I have Gorilla Glue spray adhesive. I have the command hanging strap so I can hang it. I also have duct tape. I also got this in case the command hanging strip is not yet strong to hold it, so I can use this picture hanging set I got from Walmart. Then I got this fastener. I will show you guys how I will use this. And I got E6000 glue. I also got a fabric. These 2 years of fabric for $4 at Walmart. So let's start. So guys, to start, these like two separate foam board. I'm going to use the duct tape to just tape across the foam board. This is very difficult because I'm just holding my phone on one hand and I'm doing this thing with one hand. So I'm going to use the duct tape to tape this. Okay. So guys, as you can see, I use the duct tape to tape the middle to hold the two foam boards together. Then I also cut out like a piece, a tiny, because I measured my bed and these two would not be enough, so I needed like a piece. So I cut this one out from the extra foam board I had, and I also used the duct tape to hold it. And I also, if you flip it, you can see that I also taped the back. So what I'm going to do, I have like two extra headboard. So I will use these two headboards to just glue. You know, this one I will just glue at the back of this, and then this one I will glue it at the back of this one to make it like a bit strong, something like that. So I'll be using this Gorilla Glue, and I'll also be using the hand gun. I'll show you guys. Let me get it. So what I'm doing, I'm using this glue gun to just put the glue all over the foam board. So when that is done, I'm going to spray it with this Gorilla Glue. I just don't want anything coming out. I want to make sure they are strong. Okay, once that is done, I'll be taking one of these foam board to just put it right here. Yeah, as you can see. So I'm going to do the same to this side. I'm going to take this foam board and put it on this other side. So guys, once that is done, you have to also press it firmly. I also use the E6000 glue to make sure everything holds well. I also added a little piece here. So you see, it's like two of them here. So once everything is done, I'm going to use the duct tape to tape across this area. Then these pole needles, I'm not going to be using it like this. I'm going to divide it into two, and probably you have to measure it, you see. So I think I'll be cutting the pole noodles. When I cut it into two, I also cut it in the middle. So for like this one pole needle, I will end up getting I'll end up getting 4 pole noodles from this one pole noodles. When I cut them and lie them down, I'll show you guys how it looks like. Okay guys, I cut the pole noodles into half after dividing them. So I just laid them out here. I'm going to be gluing them onto the foam board with the E6000 and the Gorilla Glue spray. Then this side, I'll just, I still have foam board left. I'll just cut a little bit of this side to fill up the other side. So let me just glue this and I will show you guys the next step. Okay, so guys, look at it, all done. I use 6 pole needles and I still have like 1 left, so probably I use like 5.5 pole needles. So look at it, it looks so pretty. But guys, to put this together is not easy. I ended up using the glue gun to do it because the Gorilla Glue spray wasn't holding it very well, so I used the glue gun to hold it very well. So I'm going to add the fabric and I will show you guys how I did that. So guys, I just sprayed the fabric on the pole needle and I cut out the excess fabric I have. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to spray the Gorilla adhesive, spray adhesive on the pole noodle. Then I put the fabric on, use this ruler to just like make a line, you see that? So like when I'm done, it will have that shape. Let me show you guys what I mean. So what I mean is, when I spray the glue here, okay, I pull the fabric. I can do this with the glue, and I'm going to use this ruler to just, make it go inside. You see what I mean? You see what I mean? So let me do another one, I will show you. Okay guys, this is what I'm talking about. So when you spray the glue onto the foam board, right, just spray the glue on the foam board, then you put the fabric. When you put the fabric, you use the ruler to just, you see that, to just kind of make it, so that's just kind of make it look like that. That's what I'm saying. That's how you need to do it. I'm done fixing this. This is what the back looks like. I glued the excess fabric at the back of the foam board, and this is what the front looks like. I'll just flip it. This is what the front guys, I'm so tired. Like this is taking like 2 hours to do because it's my first time. So This is what the front looks like. So I'm going to add the fasteners I showed you guys, and then we are going to mount it. I'm going to show you guys how I will mount it. Okay guys, this is the finished product. Like, it looks so pretty. Can you like guess I did this for less than $20 or $30, I guess. So I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys how I mount the headboard. I was so tired, but I used the command strips, the one I showed you guys at the beginning of the video. I used about 8 of them, and it looks so strong. It's not going anywhere. Can you guys see this? Like, if you create this, if you DIY this, tag me, follow me on TikTok, tag me so I can see your creation. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. I will be glad to answer all your questions. Guys, look at this. Like, I'm so happy. Like, I've been wanting to do this a long time. I'm so happy. I couldn't use the fasteners I got because they didn't work out, so I probably take it back and get something else. But I wanted something like glitter, something like, but I don't know, I was going with some kind of vibes. Like, I want, like, when you're looking at it, you will see like something like a button or something like that. But I will still, maybe before this video goes up, I'll see if I can get it and, you know, put it there so I can show you guys. But if not, that's what we'll have for now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye. See you guys in my next video.